Okay. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a melon sandbox character or NPC. So first you're going to want to open this app, Pixel Art Maker. It's a pixel art maker, and you can just make your character here. For the head, hit new one, go to advanced, and then do width 10, height 10. Choose any background color you want. My character, I think I'm going to make a crimson character, but you can make whatever character you want. So start with an outline of any color you want, like this. And then fill it in with any color you want, kind of like this. I think I'm going to have crimson be like a checkerboard pattern. So kind of like this, if you know what I mean. Do, 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 do. So kind of have some like this involved with it. No, kind of be like this for mine. You can make yours look like anything you want though. And then you add the mouth, which is going to be the same color as your outline, in my case black. And then the eye needs to be black. So if you're doing my character, it'd look like this. Menu, export 10 out of 10 pixels, save the photos. Boom. This time, now erase the sides for the chest. And erase these 2 pixels. And then fill in the sides, fill in the sides. And then export 10 pixels, save the photos, blah, blah, blah. And then for the torso, you're going to want to do something like this. Like for the stomach, you're going to want to do this. In my case, I actually have to turn mine upside down, so. So you do this for the torso if you're doing what I'm doing with the checkerboard. And then add this to the bottom. Erase. And I have to change the colors again because I am an idiot. It's actually not because I'm an idiot, it's because I just have to change the colors. I'm kind of like having it bounce around. Kind of like this, if you know what I mean. Bonk, 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 bonk. Now that's the waist done. On to the top of the arms and the top of the legs. You're going to want to go to the menu, create a new pixel art. Select yes for do you erase this picture. Advanced, and then width 8, height 13. Then you're going to want to do this. I'll give it some time. There you go. And then just checkerboard pattern up. And then menu, export 13 pixels, and then save the photos. Now for the hand's kind of tricky. So you have to get rid of the top part and then do this. If you want it to be like a robot character where the hands are backwards, then do this. And then once you do that, then do this. I actually have to change these colors because, you know, I'm making a checkerboard pattern. And then export. Now the legs, the middle part of legs isn't even that difficult to create. All you need to do is this and cover up this side. And then boom. And then for the foot, you're gonna want to create new pixel art. Go to advanced size and then do width 12 pixels and height 8 pixels. Now you're going to want to do, just as I do, 3 pixels tall, 1, 2, 3, 6 pixels wide, actually 7, 1 pixel tall, 3 pixels wide. And then fill in the foot. Menu, export, 12 by 8 pixels, save the photos, boom. Now, we go to melon sandbox. I'll check on it later. Anyways, go to editor, create new, and then choose any of these 3 livings. I'm gonna go with melon. And then name your character. I said mine was Crimson, so I'll name it Crimson. For the icon, load in its head. For the type, choose living. For the category, just do mods or something. Whatever category you want. And then go to select texture. Load first texture, and then hit load again. And then select the head and hit select. I'll give it some time. Then next, do the same thing with the other body parts. Like this. Yeah, I'll give you some time as well. Okay, time's up. You can still keep doing it if you want to. Just pause the video. Anyways, for the top of the arm, choose this. And then, I'll give you some time. For the hand, choose this thing with the little arm off. There. You might have to do that, just enter password or whatever. It's not a password to anything. I'll give you some time to get this done. Okay. Then top of the arms again. I'm gonna use for the legs. I'm recording again, so don't say my real name. And then do the legs. This part of the legs. Then the feet. I'll give you some time to do this. Go to the head, and then set human settings. Enable cam blank. Cam blank should be enabled. And eyelid pixels, select eye. And eyelid color, just select an eyelid color. I think I'll just make it red. And then give you some time to do that. And then blood color, just make any random blood color. I think I'll just choose a random blood color. I think that's a pretty good blood color. And then hit save, back, yes, default for any map you want. And then scroll down, you should see then you can have other NPCs battle it out with your newfound NPC. And then you're basically done. Here's my finished NPC. Like and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. And see you soon.